Dear viewers, today we will talk about relationships, general social links, and remedies to make our relationships long lasting. If you want to maintain your life with healthy relationships, then stay connected till the end of this video. We are called social animals. It means the social links of life make us complete human beings. A socially isolated person can have anxiety or depression. So we all are agreed that we need different kind of relations. Relationship could be between husband-wife, father and son, mother and daughter, friend or siblings, boss and employee, and buyer customer. Unfortunately, word relationship brings only love affairs to our mind, and word love always indicates relationship between boy and girl or male and female. But there are so many other beautiful relationships, as I have mentioned before, that it completes our life. No doubt, love makes a strong foundation of all relationships. In relationships, you have to manage so many things. It means keeping things in balance. If balance is out, the whole thing can be collapsed. Relationships are like plants. If a plant gets water, light, and good soil on regular basis, nothing will happen to it. And the moment this practice is stopped, it will start dying. One more thing can be added here, and that is the quality and quantity of all the things that plants need to grow. Obviously, good quality and quantity will always bring good results. Same is the case with relationships. You cannot build strong relationships without morality and loyalty. We have so many emotional attachments in our lives. That is one reason to live. We all want to carry these attachments successfully. It means we don't want to lose any one of them. To maintain our life, we need to do something special. This thing we are going to learn here. I will explain some ingredients for successful relationships. Number 1, respect. Respect is the main element. Usually it is considered for elders, but it is equally important for all kind of relationships. This element will nurture your relationship further. Otherwise, it will stand on weak foundation. I have seen many people who humiliate close relationships openly and generously, but they cannot tolerate same thing in return. Do you think this is fair enough? In this way, we disappoint others, but don't want to be disappointed by them. Actually, we don't get into their shoes. Just imagine a boss shouting on its employee in front of others, or husband shouting on his wife in a party. They ignore their emotions and feelings. So how can we expect a strong relationship? Respect earns respect, and there should be clear rules for it. It doesn't mean that one person is giving respect and the other one is taking disadvantage of it. So the basic thing is that how two people deal with each other, and this should go on. This is confirmed that we live among so many relationships. Now we need to rate all these to keep appropriate balance among all the relationships. If we don't take this step, we will lose control from our hands and life will be messed up. For some of the relationships, we should not compromise at any cost. We have to give respect and comfort to that person or people. If you give something, then you can expect in return, and this journey goes on. Be expressive to other person. Be open towards that relationship. Mostly we hide things from others and assume that he knows everything, which is again unfair. If father does not express his love for son, son will never understand his emotions. So try to pour out your love on and off. That will always help to maintain a strong relationship. Number 3, capacity to tolerate. I always consider myself with lots of weaknesses, and I do agree that people tolerate me along with all these. So why don't I do this for others? Judging other people and finding their negative points cannot nurture a healthy relationship. You need to accept them as it is. Create space for them because you cannot change people. If you put endless pressure, you can lose them. For example, husband is pressurizing wife or wife is doing the same thing, that you need to change your habit because I don't like it, isn't insane. So what will happen soon? Will one person change? No. He will fed up from this relationship. There will be no happiness in life because they become so much demanding. It means balance is out. So something will be lost here. If we keep on finding weaknesses in other people, then healthy relationship will lose its meanings. I am right and others are wrong. How can we enjoy life in the presence of this useless attitude? Point number 4 is space for each other. It means there should be no suffocation in any kind of relationship. We set our mindset about so many things in life, and if it goes in opposite direction, then we get irritated, grumble, shout, or put blame on others. Life is a combination of perfection and imperfections. So why do we cry all the time? We ignore good things and cry over minor things, waste our moments and others too. Make other people suffocated and uncomfortable by pointing out such useless things. For example, I got late from office because this was not ready. Today's submission got late because of power failure. And I could not enjoy my favorite drama because guests came. These all things destroy our time and relationships because we play power game. So dear viewers, I'm sure that I'm clear enough in all my points, and it will help you to keep a balance in all kind of relationships of your life.